Hi friends, I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. Several important procedures and considerations must be made before starting a firm. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. To get you started, consider the following general advice. 1. Idea and research. Begin with a company concept that solves a particular issue or meets a demand in the market. Carry out in-depth market research to identify your target market, rivals, and current trends. Based on the knowledge you have gathered through your investigation, improve your company concept. 2. Business plan. Write a thorough business plan that outlines your idea for the company, your target market, a competitive analysis, marketing and sales tactics, an operational strategy, and financial predictions. A strong business plan is necessary for obtaining money, luring in partners, and directing the expansion of your company. 3. Legal structure. Choose a legal structure for your organization, such as a corporation, limited liability company, LLC, partnership, or sole proprietorship. Register the name of your company and secure any required licenses or permissions. 4. Funding. Estimate the amount of funds required to launch and run your firm. Examine several funding options, such as grants, loans, venture capital, angel investors, and crowdfunding. 5. Site and infrastructure. Whether it's a real storefront, office space, or internet platform, pick a site that is appropriate for your business operations. Organize the facilities, machinery, and technology that are required. Develop a strong brand identity, which should include a logo, color scheme, and brand messaging. 6. Branding and marketing. Develop a marketing strategy to advertise your company. This can involve sponsored advertising, SEO, paid social media promotion, and more. 7. Product, service development. If you're providing a product, create a prototype or minimal viable product, MVP, for evaluation and improvement. Define your service options and pricing if you're providing a service. 8. Operations. Establish effective procedures for daily operations, including logistics, production, inventory control, and customer service. 9. Define the tasks and responsibilities of your new hires and decide whether you need to hire them. Assemble a staff with the knowledge and abilities required to support the success of your company. 10. Launch. Put your company plan into action and formally introduce your good or service. Use your marketing methods to draw clients and increase revenue. 11. Watch and adjust. Keep an eye on your company's key performance indicators, KPIs, to gauge its progress. Be ready to modify your plans in response to client feedback, market shifts, and new trends. 12. Scale and grow. As your company finds success, think about enhancing your product or service offerings, exploring new markets, or reaching a wider audience. As you grow, keep your attention on quality and client happiness. It's important to keep in mind that starting a business needs commitment, effort, and the capacity to learn from both successes and failures. Consult with mentors, subject matter experts, and other business people to get perspectives and ideas that will help you overcome obstacles along the path. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.